In a quiet bamboo forest lived Rusty the red panda. He loved climbing trees and discovering new things. One sunny morning, Rusty found a tiny pebble glowing near the river. Rusty showed the pebble to Bonnie the monkey, Timmy the tortoise, and Harvey the hornbill. They wondered what the pebble could do. Bonnie thought it might grant wisdom, Tommy thought it was just pretty, and Harvey believed it was a gift from the sky. That night, Rusty placed the pebble on the tree's stump on the twinkling star. Suddenly it shimmered and lit up the forest. The friends gasped in delight. The pebble wasn't magic, but it was special. It reflected the starlight beautifully. Rusty smiled. Sometimes the real magic is sharing something wonderful with friends. From then on, the pebble became their friendship stone.